Hello guys, welcome back to my new tutorial. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you an Instagram new feature named called Instagram Notes. So I'm going to show you how to use and how it works. So guys, when you are on your Instagram account, when you click over here to message, you can see the option right now, your note. If you are going to create a note, you can see people won't be notified when you leave a note. They will only see your note for 24 hours and reply with a message. So guys, for example, I will type over here, how are you, and you can see over here the options, followers you follow back or close friends. You can choose the option and you can click over here share, and you can see over here your note is create over here. If you will click over here, you can leave a new note or you can delete a note over here. So guys, this was very simple. I only want to show you. So guys, that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.